Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Finally, after getting requests from many students, we have decided to start DGCA AME Basic Model Examination lectures, and it will be started by Aviation A to Z team. So in short, you can say Aviation A to Z online lecture series. So yes, in this we will be taking deep lectures, daily lectures on almost all the available models. So right now for session August session 2021, we have decided to take all the basic AME model lectures. So in this video I am going to tell you what are the benefits, who are going to teach you, and at what price, and everything will be discussed in this video. So why you will be needing this, so make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you found it informative, then please share it with others. So let us get started. But before we start, I would like to tell you something about Aviation A to Z. Many people might be knowing about us, who are following us, supporting us from the beginning. But still, I would like to give a short summary about Aviation A to Z, why it is started and what is its purpose. So yes, earlier there were no YouTube channels or almost nil guidance channels who are providing guidance for DGCA module examination. So we started India's almost first YouTube channel who provide complete guidance on clearing your model examination. We also distributed notes so that it helps you, and many people cleared their model examination through our notes, and also they are constantly supporting us, and they are actually a part of Aviation A to Z family. And I am very lucky that we have a huge fan base, or you can say student base of 20,000 students, and more than that, field persons, technicians, AMEs. And why AME? Because they need their limitation models to be cleared. So I have seen many AME who have also cleared the models through our organization. So I am very lucky that you supported us, and it's going well. And to start this initiative, I thought, and I got many queries related to this, so that I have decided that we will soon start. And so it's now time that we start this small initiative, but I need your support in this, and I hope you will be supporting us. So let's quickly see the benefits you will get, and the benefits are really good. So yes, we are providing the course. Number one point is that we are providing the course at the most affordable fees. So yes, we are providing this course at almost, you can say the based on syllabus and marks distribution, not like DGCA for 1500 rupees every, or like other organizations who are taking 5,000, 2,000, 10,000. They are actually charging that much for one particular module. So yes, they are charging more than that also, but we are not charging that much. Our fees are very affordable, very budget friendly, which I will be discussing further in this video. But yes, the most affordable fees, and yes, it's a very budget friendly fees. And I know this COVID situation has really ruined the student, but yes, this will be the very best fee structure you can get, and the lowest structure in the market you will get. And apart from that, the people the instructor who are going to teach you are the best in India. Remember this thing, because they have cleared all their modules. They are doing really good. For example, module 10 instructor who are already a part of our family Aviation A to Z, who have already taking lectures, in making videos for model 10. You might have seen them. He is really the best in India, and he will be going to teach you for model 10 like that. We have other instructors for model 9, ma'am, who is also very experienced. Also, we have a blend of people who are going to teach you, experienced one and a brilliant one. So yes, the people who are fresher also, they will be teaching you, but they have cleared all their modules in first attempt. Mostly if we leave one or two modules, they have cleared all their modules in first attempt, and they are going to teach you. And they are really a great person and instructor who are going to teach you. But remember one thing, they are fresher, but still they have that enthusiasm, and they have all the tips and tricks, because they have studied themselves and they have cleared the model. So they will be sharing all the details with you. They will be clearing your concept, and most important, they will help you 100%, 1000%. They will help you to clear your module examination, means help you to prepare for that. And yes, so number two benefit is that they are really best in their genre, or you can say in that particular model which we have distributed. for August session, for August 2021, we will be taking all the basic modules from 3 to 10 modules, and in upcoming sessions we will be try to take all the available modules, means module 11, module 15, module 13, everything we'll take in upcoming sessions. So we have a little less time compared to other sessions. So yes, we have almost 1.5 months. So yes, DGCA will soon take examination, so yes, we need to prepare for this, and I will be sharing details further about this. But then the next benefit is number 3 is that you will get daily lectures. So yes, we will not be skipping anything, you will get daily lectures, and that's a good thing. Yes, we need to DGCA exam is not tough, but if you study regularly you will easily clear it, and we will be teaching you daily, so and taking tests on weekly basis, on daily basis also, doubt solving sessions, and it will be very interactive session. Test will be going on, question discussion, topic discussion, paragraph discussion, chapter discussion, also the tips, special tips which many students don't know if they are giving for first time, or if they have already given, then also they sometimes they don't know that from where to study, or from which chapters which books they need to focus, or what is important from that book or particular module. So what DGCA's mindset is about, and we will be dealing everything, means we will be giving our 100,000%, 1,000%, and I need you to also give your 100% for this, and we together will clear this module examination. We all are from AME background, and that's the brilliant thing about this initiative, that whoever going to teach you or whoever study will be from AME field, so it will be completely open. Who have experienced this DGCA examination will be teaching you, so they are experienced people, and they will help you to clear your module at very affordable fees. And yes, we all are from AME background, so we understand the value of your money. But yes, you should understand that our course, for example module 8 is 500 rupees. So yes, it's very one of the, you can say, very affordable course. For 500 rupees here, for 1.5 months you will be paying just 500 rupees. Why I'm saying just? Because for colleges you are paying fees of around 1.5, sometimes 6 for 6 months obviously, but for if you consider it, if you calculate it day wise, so you can actually paying almost 500 to 800 rupees per day, whether it's a normal day or a holiday. So yes, you are paying that much amount. So you need to pay only 500 rupees for 1.5 months for module 8. Like this we are kept for module 10 1000 rupees, because the syllabus of module 10 is much more higher. And yes, in market I have heard that for module 10 people are charging 2000, 5000, 10,000, even 10,000. Yes, seriously, I was shocked. But yes, but we have kept our this fees so affordable, because our instructor have that mission. They don't want to make money, they want to teach, they want to share knowledge. They are very best, and they told me that yes, we want to teach, but whatever price whatever fees will be there, it doesn't matter. We want to share knowledge, we want to save your 1500 rupees, and that's our main goal. So remember this thing, our main goal for this is to save your 1500 rupees and to teach you and to help you to clear your module examination. But sometimes student will ask me a doubt that what if we failed? So yes, there is also one more benefit, that if you taken a course from our side and if you fail, then the next time if you are giving that examination, your fees will be half, reduced completely. Means if you are giving for module 10, it will be 1000 for now, but it will be 500 rupees for the next session. And once again some student will again ask that what if we fail? Then there is one more thing, that you will be given a free course. Yes, in third attempt you will be given completely free course, because we know that situation will not come, but still if anyhow it came, then we also are there for you. So it will be a lifetime support until you clear your module. We will be there and we will be helping you to clear module. But that's the other thing. But so in first attempt we will try that, and you also try that. You should clear your examination in first attempt. So these are all the benefits, and all the brochure, complete brochure will be added in the description. And yes, now how to enroll in this? Yes, that's the most important thing. So we have created a WhatsApp group according to the modules category. Like for module 3 B1 B2 is same for module 3, but for module 4 B1 B2 different groups. So you can enroll as per your category, or you can say as per your choices. So for if you want to if you are giving module 5, then you 5B1, then you can join WhatsApp group module 5B1 in the description. Don't join all the group, because it's for it's for, if we will think that you want all the modules. So yes, join that module that you are giving for this session, and for upcoming sessions also join that particular groups only, so that we will be knowing that yes, you are interested in this, and we will be focusing on that thing also. So yes, you can join the groups through the links down in the description. Also you can download the brochure, or I will be sharing that brochure through the Drive link in the description also, and also I will be sharing some of the pages here, so that you can know that what are the fee structure and everything. So it will be completely transparent system, not like DGCA who are hiding many things, but yes, it will be completely transparent system, and yes, you will be knowing everything, and we will be teaching you each and everything almost, how to clear it, how to clear your module examination tips, most important tips and tricks that will help you in your examination. Also we will be regaining your confidence. And yes, one more thing, that if you are 100% confident, then I will say don't take the course, because you are 100% confident that you will clear. So again, I will be telling that our motto is to save your money, and if you are 100% confident, then don't enroll. And if you have little doubt also, then also take this course, because it will help you to boost your confidence, it will be help you to sharp your knowledge, and it will be very helpful for your upcoming module examination. So with that, I will be saying that all the very best to all the people around, and yes, those who are giving module and those who are not giving also for upcoming sessions also, all the very best. And yes, those who are enrolling, please join the appropriate module group, and also share this video with your friends and colleagues, so that they can also be part of this initiative, and we all together clear module examination. All the very best, and thanks for watching, and I hope you will support us, and thanks again for supporting, and good luck.